Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, September the 2nd, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. In the evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku here. But first, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 6030. Yeah. Correction 7030. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits well. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because actually a 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 3. We have a 2 and 3 in this big square, so no 2 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. Last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Can I continue with the 2 now? How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 157, 157, 157, 157, 157. Look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this column. No 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 is left. Should be the 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 4 in this column. Third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. With all the 4s, no. 4 in this column. Oh, wait. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the second row? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this big square, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the not all the twos, two in this row, two in that row. So the row between the middle row, only two place left for the two should be here or there. We see two in the first column, no two there, two should be there. And all the twos are used. I can see. Digit number one, number two. Wait. Two missing numbers in this column. Four numbers, the 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay. Now. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So third row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Oh, right. 6. Then 6. Need a... Four missing numbers in this column, in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. One box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. About the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 7, 5, 7, 8. Yeah. 3, 8, and 9. The 3, wow, 3, 7, 3, 7, and that 5. Need a 5 here. 3. Well, we have a pair. 7 and a 5 in this column. 7 and a 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left with 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So one digit left in this column. Middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 1, 7. 7 in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So now, 1, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Here we have 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. So 5 and 8. Okay. Well. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. Then. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For us, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 9, 9. 8. 8. 8. Need 8 here. 8 there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 8. Here can be 8 because we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here can be 8 because we have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. Only place left for 8 in this column should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers, I believe the 7 and the 5 here. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. So here should be also 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe the 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, F4, number 5. Alright. Then 6 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, don't think it's a 3 stars. Another 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. Doju 27. Should be a 1-star puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.